In today's video, I'm going to show you how to personalize Mailchimp emails with Dear First Name so your messages feel more personal and engaging right away. This is a simple but powerful trick that can help improve opens, clicks, and overall email connection with your audience. If you've ever wanted to greet subscribers by their first name inside a Mailchimp email, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and open the email editor where you want to make the changes. You'll want to be inside the design or content editor for the email campaign you're working on. Once you're in the editor, look for the paragraph block option. Click on the paragraph block, then drag and drop it into the email where you want the personalized greeting to appear. This is where your custom text will go, so place it near the top if you want the email to feel more welcoming right away. Next, click into the text area and type Dear followed by name. At this stage, you're just entering the wording that will later turn into a personalized field. After that, highlight the word name by selecting it with your cursor. Once the word is selected, look for the three dots menu in the editor toolbar. Click those three dots to open the additional options. From there, choose Merge Tags. This is the feature that allows Mailchimp to insert subscriber-specific information automatically. In the Merge Tags list, click First Name. Mailchimp will replace the selected word with a merge tag that pulls in each subscriber's first name when the email is sent. If the contact has a first name saved, they'll see Dear followed by their name instead of a generic greeting. This is a great way to make your email feel more human and less automated. After you've inserted the first name merge tag, take a moment to check how the greeting looks inside the email. Make sure it reads naturally and is placed correctly in the sentence. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Save and exit to keep your changes. That's it. You've now personalized your Mailchimp email with Dear First Name, and you've made your message feel more customized for every subscriber. Small details like this can make a big difference in email marketing, so it's definitely worth using whenever you want to improve engagement. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.